Hi, the screen you see is of a new computer with operating system Windows 10. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how I download Google Chrome in my Windows computer. To start with, I'm using Microsoft Edge. This is a browser built in Windows. So I type in address bar Google Chrome, hit enter. The first result on search list is google.co.uk. I click on that and it's showing the download link button. So I click on that and then it start downloading here. So once downloaded, I click on open file. Then it asks for permission. Yes. So the system start downloading Google Chrome application on your computer. So it says on the top downloading. So I pause the video until finish the download. So after completion of download, it will start installing on Windows automatically. Let's see how it works. So download complete, waiting to install, installing. So after install, the browser automatically pop up with new window. So welcome to Google Chrome, and your Google Chrome will be ready to use. Thank you for watching and see you at next.